Welcome to PNK Stocks YouTube channel. Let us teach today how to select a stocks for intraday and also how to trade with that stocks. So let us start now. For intraday, work on 15 minutes time frame. Fifteen minutes time frame is most important. Second thing, wait market to settle till 9:45. Don't trade from 9:15 to 9:45. Start trading after 9:45. So what you need to do at 9:40, you need to go and note down the stocks at NSE India. I'll show you, and put them into the trading view platform. And from 9:45 you start observing. So what is the indicators that we use? We use only VWAP indicator, volume weighted average price. This indicator derived only for intraday trading. So first thing, 15 minutes chart. Second thing, don't do trading before 9:45. Start trading only after 9:45. At 9:45, go and take the stocks from NSE India. I'll show you just now. We'll use only one indicator, that is AVWAP. And if you know how to draw support and resistance, you can use the support and resistance. If you don't know how to draw support and resistance, we can use trading view indicator, that I'll show you. Trading view indicator we'll use for support and resistance. Now let us go to the NSE India and see how we can select stocks. This is Google. From here we'll be going to the NSE India. Select it. At 9:45, select these 5 plus 5 10 stocks and put them into your trading view. And what you need to do, a condition, make a note of this condition. If Nifty plus or minus 50 points, let us say we are at 18,000 yesterday. If we are at 18,050 or 17,950, so plus or minus 50. Plus 50 means 18,050, minus 50 means 17,950. In this case, we can trade both positive gainers, the 5 which are showing, and also the negative gainers, 5 which are showing. Positive gainers and negative gainers, we can trade this both the things. But if Nifty more than plus or minus 50, then we'll trade only positive ones. If Nifty is less than minus 50, then we'll trade only negative things. See here, these are all positive things. At the end of the day, they have 4%, 3% kind of a stock appreciated percentage. These are the negative stocks. Here in this particular day, Nifty at the end of the day given 216 points appreciation. So when you are trading at the time, if Nifty is plus 50 points more than that, then work only on this top 5 stocks, and Nifty is minus 50 less than that, then only trade this. If it is in between plus or minus 50, then you can trade all the things. Now for example, we'll be checking all these 10 stocks, though the Nifty appreciation 216 points. This is the end of the day thing. Market may shoot up anytime this thing, but you need to notice that when you are trading at 945, you need to check only the Nifty at the time. If Nifty is less than 50, then work on positive stocks and negative stocks as well. Nifty is less than minus 50 in the negative side, you can still work on that. But if one side it is appreciating more than 15 points, then work only on, if positive side 50 plus points, then only work on positive stocks. If it is Nifty is negative and trading less than 50 points, then only work on negative points. Now let us take this in the trading view. M&M, Infi, IndusInd Bank. I'll be taking top 3. If you didn't find trading on top 3, then take all the 5 plus 5 10. Adani Ports, Grasim and Apollo, these are the negative stocks. Adani Port, Grasim, Apollo Hospitals. Right. Now top 3 are positive stocks, top 3 are negative stocks. Though market gone up to that level, we'll be even checking on the negative stocks as well. But we need to focus only on the positive stocks if Nifty is more than 50. So we'll be selecting 2 indicators here. One is VWAP, volume weighted average price. For me, I got only one line, but if you are taking first time, you will be getting these 2 lines as well. Because I made it default as only one line, that's the reason I'm getting this only purple line. These 3 lines will appear. What you need to do, go to settings and take off these 2 lines, and once you take off these 2 lines, go here, save as a default and OK. Then if anytime next time when you take this indicator, you will be getting only this purple line, not the green lines. And take the indicator, the support and resistance thing, that what we discussed. You need to select this support and resistance dynamic, which is working very well in this. And if you want, you can even still work in this and make it as a line. And if you want, you can change the color to any color that you want. Not that one. Yeah, this is the one. These lines. Now how to trade this? First, go to the M&M. What we need to do, this is the 5 minutes chart, make it to 15 minutes chart. We should not work till 9:15 candle, it will end up at 9:30. This is 9:30 candle, end up at 9:45. 9:45, you should not take trade immediately. What you need to do, price should come and touch or very close to the AVWAP that what we drawn. If it is taking support and moving up, then only we need to trade. So here, where to take trade? This is the high candle and it moved down. So now you need to take the trade somewhere here and close of the previous red candle high. And when you are taking the trade, so from here we need to take the SL below the VWAP line, and you can target 1:1.5. This is 1:1.5. So our target entry hit here, and our target hit as well. So my suggestion, instead of putting target immediately, take the 50% at 1:1.5, and once you taken that, let the next 50% move anywhere, and before that you need to bring the your SL from here to here, so that cost to cost you exit 50% and the other 50% you got a profit. So now trailing SL is, put your SL here once the price moves somewhere here. When there is a red candle and price moved again on top of it, then move the SL here, and price moved somewhere here. So any low that you find, bring your SL close to that. Again move your SL here. Again move your SL here. When you find this big candle, candle by candle, take here your SL, and from here take your SL here. Somewhere here your SL got hit. Hope you understand. Now as we are taken trade here and SL kept here, see the percentage of 1:4 kind of a risk to reward that what we got. That means for 1000 rupees risk, you got 4230 rupees, where our TSL got is target SL, that what we say. Hope you understand. If not, then go back to the video, watch several times. Let us take the next talk. 15 minutes candle, next 15 minutes candle. After that, what happened? We find one candle which is a hammer candle. It wick touched and again moved up. So our trade will be entering here, and will be keeping SL here, and our target 1:1.5. Let us mark that as well. Entry, one is to 1.5. One is to 1.5 taken somewhere here. So what we need to do, when we are taken an entry, price moved up and it was there in the entry price till up to here, and from here it taken up. So we should have some patience. When we need to our SL to cost, only when our first target hit, or else price moved up. So what will happen here? Price hit almost at the end of the day, so there is no point that we can move our TSL to close to that. But lot of people, they'll be worried seeing the price is fluctuating here, but still we made the 1:1.5 entry. If price moved from here to top, then we can start putting TSL. But here what happened? At 3:15 market will close at 3:15, so this point will be exiting our trade. We should not wait till last minute. So for intraday thing, we will be taking in the miss order. So miss orders will be closed by 3:15, so we need to exit. Inducing. First candle, second candle, third candle. Third candle itself taken a support on VWAP, and once it is closed, we got an entry immediately. So on third candle top, we can take the trade, and we need to put an SL below to the VWAP line. From here, we need to work on 1 to 1.5. So what happened here? Our entry taken here, then there price moved up. When you find a big candle like this, price moved up, then obviously you can bring your SL to cost, and you can start trailing your SL. Once this big candle happened, bring your SL here. When you find a small red candle and then there is a big bullish green candle, bring your SL close to the 2-3 candles low. When again you see a red candle and then followed by a green candle, take up to here. Candle by candle you need to trade. And finally, after this candle, there is a red candle and it got hit. So for us, we got 1:2.4. That means for 1000 rupees, we got 2410 rupees reward. Now we should not see the negative stocks today because Nifty moved very quickly in the opening itself. It moved more than 100%, more than 100 points. But still, in NSE India stocks, these are all news driven stocks. So for news driven stocks, the movement will be very high in irrespective of Nifty movement. So still, if you didn't get any trade on positive stocks, then you can take a chance in the negative stocks. But I don't recommend for the beginners. Only those people have hands-on experience, they can test on this. Let us see Adani thing. Adani Ports, first candle 930, second candle 945 here. This second candle itself a big hammer candle. You can take a trade here and you can put an SL somewhere here. You can start working on that, and till next support you need to exit somewhere here. If you find immediate support after taking the resistance and you are getting even 1:1, you need to exit. And somehow if you miss the trade here, what you need to do? This is your next entry and your SL should be here, and your target again to the support. That what we got. Let us see here how much risk reward that what we got. Entry, again here 1:1.9. that what we got risk to reward. For 1000 rupees risk, we got almost 2000 rupees. And if you got an entry here, if you trail the SL, your SL might have hit somewhere here. And if you find immediate support or resistance for your trades, then even though you can trail the target SL, but better to exit this area at the support, because prices will definitely reverse and it will again take some support and it will come and fall. Let us see the Grasim stock. Grasim morning tried to go up, but this heavy resistance pride not allowed to go up. So there is a big indication, two hammer candles indicating that price is not interested to go up. What happened after this? there is a big Maraboju kind of a candle or else big selling candle. Your entry here, your SL on top of it, your target, support. If you find this kind of a clear support, as we discussed, don't trail your SL. If you become a pro trader and you may have a time till close of the day, in that case price will even come down, so that time you can trail. But here almost see the time now, 2:30, 2:45, 3 o'clock, so you don't have much time to trail your target, so better exit at the support level. Here also we got good risk to reward. One is to 2.1, 1000 rupees risk, we got 2100 rupees. People will face the emotions and they'll exit in between, but if price reverse, the SL will hit. So what you need to do, once the entry got hit, immediately you keep the SL, then you keep the target as well. Just sit and relax and ask the market to go and hit either target or else the stop loss. Only thing that you can do is that you can bring back your SL to cost and you can trial your target TSL, target stop loss, so that you can increase your profits. Let us see Apollo Hospitals. First candle, second candle, third candle. Can you identify this candle? This green candle followed by a red candle. This is called bearish harami candle. Bearish harami candle indicates that there will be a fall in the market. So you can work from here as well, but risk to reward is very less because your entry is somewhere here and your immediate support is very close to that. So if you see the risk to reward stuff, though you are in a profit situation, your target is very near. For 1000 rupees risk, you are working on 720 rupees, which is not favor. See, when you are taking entry itself, you can find the support. So if market will be falling, then it will come up to this and it will reverse. So that time what you need to do, check the risk to reward. Now what kind of a target that you are looking for and what kind of a risk that you are giving to the market. Think that and place the target. Though you won here, but still it's not recommended. If price reverse, there is a resistance here. Price will go reverse here and it will go in the positive way. So better avoid, if you are getting a trade risk to reward less than 1. At least for intraday you need to look for 1.5 I recommend, but sometimes based on market situations volatility 1 to 1 also will doable, but my recommendation, if you work 1 is to 1.5, 1000 rupees risk, at least you need to work for 1500. And most important thing, in between the trade you should not exit. Most of the times what we do on the profit side, we'll adjust and we'll exit if you get some profit, but on the lower side for stop loss, we'll wait till the stop loss hits. What happen if you are working 1 is to 1? If you are exiting 500 rupees, the next trade it hit SL, it will go and hit for 1000 rupees. So at the end of the day, what you got? You got only 500 rupees loss. But if you work 1 is to 1.5, you are on losses side, you will be exiting for 1000 rupees. On profit side, you are waiting to exiting at 1500. So risk to reward is most important. And in my experience, this strategy is working 70%. That means every 10 trades you will be losing 3 trades and you will be winning 7 trades. So if you follow strictly 1 is to 1.5 minimum and after that you are trailing your target SL, then what you will be getting for 3 trade loss 3000 rupees and 7 trades profit 7 plus 3.5 10.5. 10.5 minus 3000 4500 you will be getting on 10 trades. That again, if you work for 1000 rupees risk and 15,000 for profit, that will obviously increase for 45,000 whatever. But in simplicity, taking 1000 rupees risk and working on 1500 profit, that is 1 is to 1.5, that will work. So hope you understand this strategy. If not, then go back and watch the video several times. Still you find any doubts, then you can put your question in the comment section so that I can respond back. You may think that we are working at the non-market day. Today is Sunday, and you will be observing NSE India taking stocks live. And in the top gainers and top losers, the stocks will change very frequently. But top three or top four, top five stocks will be there, and you need to quickly exit so that market price will be reversed. So you saw here, right? Now if you are not exited here, price moved again. That time this stock may not be in the top losers because it moved up. Similarly M&M, it gone up one way, so it may not be, it will be there till end of the day. If you see Infi, it again moved in the one side. For Inducent, it moved in the one side. For Adani, we got the profit and again it moved up. That time there will be another stock in its place because it moved, it given back its gains and it moved up. At the end of the day, it come back. That is a different case. Grasim, it moved in the one side, but if you see Apollo, it again gone back and at the end of the day it taken this place by, but in the mid of the day there will be another stock there. So what you need to do around 1 o'clock before the UK market opens till morning to 1 o'clock there will be few stocks, but at the 1 o'clock if you see any other stock coming into the top 5 positive list or top 5 negative list, that stock will give more returns because on particular time there is a news on particular stock, so that stock is moving. But don't trade blindly, trade on support resistance and also VWAP based trading, and you need to even work on candlestick formations as well. See here, evening star candlestick pattern. Though we have VWAP line, if you find this kind of a evening star pattern at the resistance, you can short straight away here. And from here, this is our risk area and this is our profit area. Risk to reward. If you didn't understand what is evening star, morning star, candlestick pattern, I have made several videos on each candlestick pattern to understand very clearly before entering into the strategies. So now go and watch all our candlestick pattern videos. I'll be putting them in the I button. It will be displayed somewhere here, so you can even watch them if you are not watched already. So we'll stop it here. Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. There will be a lot of videos coming up. Thank you.